Hello adventurers! We are here today for you to take your first guitar lesson. So maybe you want to earn some brownie points from dad, maybe you're playing for your daughter and you want to have a great time together and you want to make kids sing and dance.
Guitar for Kids with David Aldridge.
And that would be wonderful to see their reaction. There are also some great ideas for children's songs. And at the end of today's video, you'll have some clear takeaways that you can start to practice. And I want to celebrate everyone who's taking today's lesson. So let's blow the dust off the guitar. Get yourself into a quiet place for learning. Okay, so let's start with G from the GUITA framework, the guitar framework. So G is for goals. So what I'd love for you to do, first of all, is to get a piece of paper and a pencil or a crayon, and then write down a little goal that you'd like to achieve. So that could be playing for mum and dad. It could be playing for your sister, family or friends, or playing for your child. And then go and stick that on your fridge so every day it will remind you to practice and about your important goal. So U is for understanding. Understanding how we play a guitar. So you'll see here with my left hand, I'm going to push the strings down to the fretboard, and then we can either use our thumb or guitar pick, and that's how we create the sound on the guitar. So there's two different ways we can play. We can strum the strings or we can pluck the strings like this. We can play chords where we blend the notes together, or we can play single notes. And that's how we get the tunes from the guitar. I is for instrument, so understanding the instrument. So let's go and name all the parts of the guitar and the strings. So this is what we call the body. This is the sound hole. This is the bridge that the strings are tied to. This is what we call the fretboard, where we push the strings down and the guitarist gets all the different sounds. This is the neck of the guitar. This is the head, and these are the tuners. Can you guess how many strings we have on a guitar? Correct, we have 6. And the way that we number the strings are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And each string also has a letter. And we have a cool sentence for remembering the string letters. Elephants and donkeys grow big ears. Really quickly, my little sis is just going to jump in and tell you about a new exciting book.
Have you ever struggled to learn guitar? We are here to help you find your fun and power your confidence. Guitar Star in 30 Days is a fun-filled guide to learning guitar for children 6+, packed with challenges, facts, and quizzes to make kids smile. So, get involved, get creative, and remember, you're amazing! Take your Guitar Star in 30 Days challenge today by visiting davidguitarcoach.co.uk. See you in class! Let your light shine!
So T is for tunes. So what are some great tunes that we could learn first on the guitar? So I'm going to start with Hot Cross Buns. So what I'd love for you to do is to just follow along with me, and I'm going to talk you through how to push the strings down and what frets to play. So we're going to play the first string open, and then the 3rd fret of string 2, and then the 1st fret. We repeat that again. Then we play the 1st fret 4 times, and then the 3rd fret 4 times. Then the 1st string open, the 3rd fret. Okay, so I'm going to play this a little bit quicker for you so you can hear how all that connects together. A is for adventure. So every time you're practicing the guitar, we want to make it fun and an adventure and a way to discover, so we can build this lifelong love of music. So get curious, stay inspired as you're learning, and remember that every time you practice, you're just going to get that little bit better. R is for rhythm, and rhythm is the glue that holds the music together. And it's said that music without rhythm is just noise. It's the rhythm that gives us the tune. So when we're playing, we really want to understand the rhythm that we are playing. Now, if you'd like to start learning your first songs after this video, then I put a playlist at the bottom where there's some great beginner songs for you to get started on. What are the obstacles to succeeding and winning on guitar? It usually comes down to 3 things. And the first one is motivation to practice daily. 2, not to compare your progress with others. And 3 is the fear of playing in front of others. Too often you can ask yourself, can I do this? Is this going to be too difficult? And I'm not feeling motivated to practice today. Or maybe we can feel low in confidence. We all do from time to time when it's something important to us. But we can look at things in a new way and think about guitar, learning to play guitar in a new way. Let's work at our passion and our dream again. Learn new skills and get that admiration from others and the talent. Because even if we don't try, you're never going to know. Why is it important today for you to learn guitar? And what do you see as the problems about achieving success on guitar? Do you remember that time when you said you'd practice but you didn't? So the old way of learning is to flip from video to video, get massively confused and not know what to practice, lose confidence, give up, and then start watching the cat videos. We're going to approach a new way of learning that recognizes that we have struggles along the way and we don't give up so easily. We honor the struggle, and with every little win, we improve and we grow in confidence. I absolutely love this group and this community, and I want to celebrate you today and everybody who's taken the lesson today.